To use QR code for my app payment. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use QR code for my app payment. So if you want to use the QR code for Pay My App payment, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open the Maya app on your smartphone, and you just need to tap the QR code option usually at the bottom of the app's home screen. And next, what you need to do is use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed by the merchant. The merchant's detail and the amount to be paid should appear. Verify the details and enter the amount that you need to pay. Then you just need to go ahead and make sure to confirm or review the information and tap pay or send payment to complete the transaction. And you will receive a confirmation message in the app via SMS. And that is basically how you could use QR code for my payment. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.